Good day, everyone. Welcome to CalcuMind. Today, we are going to be continuing on measures of central tendency, with our focus being on grouped data. And in our outline for today, we are going to treat the mean, under which we'll treat arithmetic mean, assumed or guessed mean, and coding method. Now, to get us started, we are going to look at a sample problem for which we have these tables on the board. Now, the problem says the speed of 100 vehicles along Ikwere Road are presented in this table. Find the mean speed using 1, the normal arithmetic equation, 2, the guessed mean method, and 3, the coding method. Now, for this video, we are going to treat the normal arithmetic equation. Now, one thing to note for grouped data is that it usually comes in a format like this, and that format includes intervals. Now, we have 60 to 65 kilometers per hour as one interval, that is one class interval. We have 65 to 70 kilometers per hour as another class interval, all the way down to 80 to 85 kilometers per hour. Now, on this table, which is under our solution, we have the class mark, we have the frequency, and we have f of x. Now, the reason for all these divisions is because we are told to find using the normal arithmetic method first. And for a grouped data, which is also a frequency distribution, the formula for arithmetic mean is equal to summation fx all over summation f. Hence, the x, the frequency, which is f, and the fx. Now, to get our class mark, which is x, it should be noted that class mark x is equal to the summation of the class intervals, which is class interval 1 plus interval 2, all divided by 2 for a particular class. So for this first class, which is 60 to 65, we simply add 60 and 65 and divide it by 2. So 60 plus 65 divided by 2. What do we have as our answer? So we have here our class mark as 62.5. You can think of this as the average of this particular class interval. For this, we have 65 plus 70 all divided by 2. 67.5. For this, we have 70 plus 75 divided by 2. 72.5. For this class interval, we have 75 plus 80 divided by 2. 77.5. And for the final class interval, we have 80 plus 85 divided by 2. 82.5. Now, next up, we have our frequency. Now, our frequency is simply the number of vehicles for each class interval that was given to us in the question. So, for the class interval of 60 to 65 kilometers per hour, we have our frequency as 5. For the class interval for 65 to 70 kilometers per hour, we have our frequency as 18. For the next one, we have it as 42. The one after that, we have it as 27. And finally, we have the last one as 8. Then this brings us to the last column of our table. For arithmetic mean, we have that the formula is sigma f of x divided by sigma f. So our f of x is simply multiplying our class mark x of this particular class interval by the frequency of the interval. So the first f of x, we have 62.5 multiplied by 5,
312.5.
which gives us 312.5. For the second class interval, we have 67.5 multiplied by 18,
1,215.
which gives us 1,215.
3,000. 45.
We have for the next one 3045.
2092.5.
We have 2092, 2092.5.
660.
Then we have 660. Now for our arithmetic mean, we have that the formula is sigma f of x all over sigma f. And we know that this summation simply means that we add everything here in this column for f of x, and we add everything here in this column for sigma f. So we have that our summation fx being 7,325, all divided by our summation f, which is the addition of everything in this column,
which is 100.
which is 100. Therefore, our arithmetic mean is equal to
73.25.
73.25. Okay. Thank you very much. Please do like, share, and subscribe.